Welcome back, girls. Are you ready for the new styles of buns we're gonna create? Let's get into it. Now have two ponytails and braid the left side completely down. But don't forget to add the V shape at the end. Now do start braiding the right section of your hair all the way from top, but stop it in the middle and do a V shape at the end as well. Now secure it completely with rubber band and tie both of the V shapes together. Then touch the right end to the left loop and attach it to your hair. Secure the right with the rubber band and a hair clip of your choice. Now drop in a beautiful pretty hair clip after you create a nice volume. On your ponytail, comb it a bit rightwards and have a big hair clip and fix it on the right side. Then comb the ponytail remaining part to the left side and tie a rubber band in the middle and stuff the ends into the bun we created. Now secure the ends with the hair clip. Wow, it's really looking nice. Now add in some extra volume and drop in your favorite hair clips. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle and make a twist pattern. And on the left section of your hair, tie a rubber band in the top middle and do the same on the right side as well. Then create a volume and comb it a bit down and have another rubber band in the bottom middle part. Then do the same with the right side and create a loop and drop the tips. Then drop the left section into the right and vice versa. And with the remaining part of your hair, group them into a rubber band and stuff it inside using a hair clip of your choice. Go for a loose hair and divide it into two sections and start braiding it from top to bottom in a very thick manner. It should look like a rope and completely braid it up to the tip and make it in a swirl like a clockwise manner and have it like a pretzel and attach a beautiful hair clip at the right side and on the left a little one to secure it to the head. Now have some beautiful three cute hair clips of your choice on the buns respectively. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle with rubber band and grab the remaining part of your hair tied with another rubber band in the top middle and do two sections of your remaining part of your hair and tie one more rubber band in the bottom middle part. Do the same on the right side, create a loop and drop in the ends into it. Now make it even more fluffier by moving it upwards and bend it down, stuff the ends inside and attach it to the loop we created first. Then have a beautiful hair clip of your choice and add extra volume. Make your hair fluffy by using a ponytail and straighten it up with a bun maker all the way from top to bottom and roll it from the bottom to the top. Then make a loop and bend it over, covering the excess part of that. Oh, it's looking like a chocolate donut. Add in your favorite hair clips of your choice. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle and add one more rubber band with the remaining part of your hair in the top middle part. Comb it completely down and make it upwards and tie a rubber band in the top part and bend it down further to create a volume and add a hair clip securing both of them. Then with the remaining tips of your hair, tie one more rubber band in the top part and bend it completely down. Then add in a further black hair clip to secure that into place. Thank you girls for watching this video.